Hey friends, so on Picsart, you can do a very cool thing when you use the brushes option. You don't have to use the brushes that Picsart provides. You can just make your own. It's very simple. You go here to the search, the little magnifying icon, click that. So this is all the options of stickers, and you can search. So for example, if you want to use, I don't know, let's just use dog. And let's see, where's a pretty dog that we might want to use? Let's use this one. So we choose that one. And then if I were to just tap, it's quite large, so I'll undo. So you can change the opacity and you can change the size. Right, you can do that. Okay, just as an example, this is what's possible. And if you just trace with it like so, you can do that. I mean, the options are endless. You can, let's see, let's try fire. Let's go with that one. Of course. Oh, this is quite little. Ah, it is there. Okay. You see? So this is what's possible. If you wanted to use something like, let's see, flowers. What's nice? Okay, let's use that one. There you go, perfect. A little bit smaller maybe. So, see, the options are truly endless. The downside, of course, is you can just undo everything and take it off. Clear it. The downside is, let's say you're looking for example, okay, let's say we use the balloons. So tap, there you go. The only downside is that you can't rotate them, okay? So you can only just use them as is. They're always in the upright position. So if we come out of the brushes option, and if I were to just select the same sticker, the balloons, you can see here, if we choose flip rotate, you can put them upside down, or you can switch them horizontally, but of course you can't do that. Or you can rotate them. So that's the only downside that I'm aware of when you use the brushes option. So yeah, you can select the magnifying glass, choose whatever you like. You can change the size and the opacity. Yeah, so there you are. Enjoy. Thanks, friends. Bye.